Good morning, it's Sunday in my world and it is raining, so I'm going to take this opportunity and do an extreme clean with me. I haven't deep cleaned the house since before Karen got here. That was 3-ish weeks ago. All Christmas decorations are put away, so it is time to get the house back in order and ready for the new year. I literally can't stand it anymore. It needs a good deep clean, so welcome to this extreme clean with me. Actually need to get started because we have some more guests arriving around 1 o'clock today and this house needs to be in much better shape. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, I mentioned this in my last clean with me, but before I do anything, I always get the sheets going because that always takes the longest. So I'm gonna go ahead and start washing the bedding. So I also just kind of want to show you guys what we're dealing with. This area needs to be cleaned up for sure. We have to clean up the kitchen and the counter. Then we have that wonderful pile of Sawyer's and his dry cleaning that need to go out to his office. Put away the dishes and just clean up the kitchen. I always like to get the kitchen done first just because I feel like that kind of takes the most time, and I feel like once the kitchen's done I just feel better about life. So we're gonna start in the kitchen and yeah, I'll show you guys what we are dealing with next. So yeah, we'll start in the kitchen and just get this handled and then move on to the rest of the house. Also, I'm really excited. Sawyer is part of SAG and AFTRA because of his acting and directing things he did in LA. And so we always get all the screeners, and so now we have tons of movies that we get to watch. So I'm very, very excited about that. Random, but excitement. Next, we are going to take all this stuff to Sawyer's office. I mentioned it in my last clean with me that I always put Sawyer's things right here, so hopefully he'll take them out to his office, but he's been really busy, so I'm gonna go ahead and help him and take all this stuff to his office to get it off the counter, and yeah, and then I'll finish cleaning the kitchen. Alright, so now that his pile is successfully in his office, I'm going to start by cleaning the counters and then start deep cleaning some of the appliances. But let's start with the counters. And I'm again going to use my Windex with vinegar only because it is so humid here. It's been raining every day for the last couple weeks. So everything is really, really salty and everything just feels wet. So the vinegar helps with the salt and helps everything look and feel more clean. Alright, then the last thing that I'm going to do in the kitchen is bleach my sink. We do have a farmhouse sink and it holds on to everything, coffee, tomato sauce, random stuff. So I just like to spray it once a week to get all the stains off and also to sanitize it. And then we'll just let that sit. Alright, I lied. The last thing I am going to do in the kitchen is to run the dishwasher with vinegar. I went ahead and put my rack, my brushes, my sponge, and just cleaning brushes in here. And then I'm just going to sanitize them with vinegar and run the dishwasher. So for the dining room, I am going to wipe down the table and I'm going to switch out these little mats. I've had these out for quite some time, so I'm just going to switch them just to mix it up for a moment. And then these placemats I had just gotten at Target, and I've actually never put them out since we moved. So I'm gonna put them out now and mix it up. One of my favorite things while cleaning is to light candles. I just feel like it makes it look clean and put together, and especially when I'm done with the room, I'm like, ooh, yay, I can light the candle and it'll be all pretty. Oh, and this candle I just got from Target. It is the Cardamom and Velvetier. Velvetier, I don't know how you say that, but it smells really good. All right, next we're gonna work on the living room. First I'm going to put it all together, like fluff the couch and put things away, and then we will dust and wipe down the table. And yeah, it's gonna be the living room. Whew. All right, the living room is done. All right, so I am now in the bathroom. Whenever I clean, my theory is kind of do everything from the top down. So I like to get everything put away and clean, and then once everything like is dusted, then I sweep or vacuum and then mop. So mopping is kind of like the final thing I do, so that way all the dust can settle and hopefully get all mopped away. So we are going to clean the bathroom. A few days ago, I already cleaned the tub because I just couldn't stand it anymore. So that is already done, but we are gonna clean the toilet, the counters, and get rid of all the towels and wash them. So let's do that now. All right, now I'm gonna clean the toilet, and as sexy as that is, I'm not gonna make you guys watch that. So I'll see you in a second. All right, so one of the last things I'm gonna do in the bathroom besides like vacuuming and mopping is putting up new towels. Now in my last video, you guys saw that we got new towels from Allswell. I just washed them and I'm so excited to actually use them. And they're really, really nice because they're like a waffle material. So it's really thin, so I think it'll actually help with the humidity because they'll dry faster. And then I just have 2 guests coming in, so I'm just gonna hang up 2 guest towels for them. And then we have our hand towel, which I'll hang up behind you. All right, so we have finally made it to vacuuming. I'm gonna start in the kitchen and then work my way throughout the house. And to be honest, it always amazes me how dusty our house gets. We pretty much leave the windows open because we don't have air conditioning in the main area of the house. So I feel like that is like the main reason for all the dust. But still, I vacuum or sweep at least 3 times a week, and it's always so dusty and gross. Anyways, we are going to vacuum now. Moving on to mopping. I shared this with you guys last time, the mop that I use. It is by, I want to say, O Cedar. And I like that the bucket has like a little spinny thing on it. Wow, that's very descriptive. But anyways, it kind of is able to wring your mop out, which I really like. So I'm just going to fill that up. And another thing that I like about it is it has a detachable mop head. So I can just throw this in the washer, and I have replacements for it too. So it's super simple and easy to keep clean, because I think that's something that grosses me out is mops. I don't know why, they just kind of gross me out. All right, for my mop mixture, I like to use Fabuloso, and I use white vinegar in there as well. Again, it helps with the moisture and the salt. It helps the floor stay more dry. So I'm just gonna use hot water and mix some of this in. All right, well that was my extreme New Year clean with me. I just really wanted to get the house reset after all the Christmas decorations were gone and just like really deep clean. So I hope you guys enjoyed and got some good ideas for cleaning for yourself. And if you have any clean with me videos that you would like to see, let me know down in the comments below. I'm thinking of doing like an organize with me, kind of like resetting for the new year as well. So I think that's gonna be coming in the next few videos. So watch out for that. So that being said, go ahead and subscribe so you guys do not miss out on a video. I talk about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and now home decor. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I would love to have you guys. But that is it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!